Hey guys, welcome to 1279 Seagull Drive in the beautiful Clarkson community in Mississauga. Come on in and we'll take a look. Beautiful family home here. You can see as soon as you come in, you're welcomed by the kitchen area and the living room. So inviting. The homeowners have been really particular in the updates they've done in the time they've been living here. So you'll see they've done all the important things like windows, furnace, AC, roof. The kitchen area has been thoroughly updated to open it up to the rest of the living level. Jonathan's just going to get you some great close-ups there of the living room space. And you'll pan around here. You're going to see you've got great entertaining space here. Beautifully framed there with the nice bright window. Plenty of natural light in this house too, which is just fantastic. And again, open to your kitchen area. So you've got a beautiful big bar space here. Great for entertaining because you can have your guests on the other side. You could be talking while you're serving. And on the other side here, you'll see when Jonathan comes around, there's plenty of cabinet space. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. As I said, the homeowners are very particular people. They've been clients for a long time. And we saw this house when they first moved in. It did not look anything like this. And they've spent a lot of time while they were here picking the right finishes and making sure everything was done perfectly. So you're going to follow me around here and I will show you the rest of the living level here. Plenty of space. So just off to the side here, you've got your coat closet for when your guests come in there from the front door. And then down the hall here, we'll take you through. You've got a nice linen closet. We like to show off all the details in these videos because, you know, obviously we have the polished professional ones that don't show you where you're going to store your things, and people always call us and ask, you know, where's the storage space? What kind of linen closet did they have? So this is the first of the 3 bedrooms up here. They're all a good size. This is their son's bedroom, so you can see good amount of space here, plenty of storage. Big sports fans, these guys. So explains all the metals and things. But again, it's nice to see when people have great attention to detail. Everything's in really, really good condition. As you'll see here, we've got a great 4-piece bath. And this is the bathroom for obviously everybody up here. And as you'll see later in the video, there's an additional 4-piece down in the basement level as well, and that's been updated too. So plenty of space. I'll even we'll draw the curtain back so you guys can see. You've got a great shower tub combo in here. Just perfect for a bathroom of this size. And it's great. Obviously family of 4 living here, and they have no problems at all with this shared bathroom upstairs. We'll take you through to the second bedroom here. You can see beautiful big window, just a common theme throughout this entire property. And again, good amount of space in the bedroom here. And they've continued the wood flooring throughout. So you've got that on the main level and through the upstairs as well, which is lovely. And now for the master, which is, I know it's something that you guys have all been curious about. So it's not often you see a home in this neighborhood. It's an established neighborhood with more mature properties, but you don't usually see ones that could house a king bed like this. So you've got a great amount of space in this bedroom. I know I keep saying that, but it is. It's a beautiful, spacious, bright home. And they've actually installed, you can see here, some additional cupboard space on top of the closet space you already have. So very practical. And again, doesn't eat into the room here. You can see they still have plenty of space here for a full king size. And then you've got your double closet here as you come in on your right. So again, no shortage of space here, plenty of room. So now I will lead you guys out and we will go and see the basement space. So here you have the basement space, which is perfect for entertaining. So they've got a big oversized sectional here, plenty of space for that big comfy basement furniture. And again, nice big window there as well, so it doesn't feel like you're sitting in a basement when you're watching TV at night. and they've thought of everything. Obviously, they've got the TV perfectly positioned there. And they're big sports fans here, so they spend a lot of time down here in this basement. And another nice luxury that you can't always fit in a home these days is you got a full-size pool table down here, so you can see lots of space. You could repurpose this as a home office. You could turn it into a big oversized playroom if you needed that big space. Lovely plush carpet as well, so it's nice and soft and warm down here. And then in the corner, they've got a great little office nook, which is perfect, especially now with the little ones if they're learning from home a little bit more, or for people who are having to work from home right now. It's nice to see that space envisioned like this because it's more practical for the way that we're living our lives these days. And I'll bring you around. So you have the laundry space down here, which is great. There's actually a window in the laundry room, which makes it feel nice, nice and bright down here. But again, tons of usable space. There's some utility space here. They've got some storage set up as well. And then Jonathan's going to take us around, and we're going to look at the great bathroom that they have set up down here. So again, you can see here that they've got beautiful 4-piece bathroom. Again, this is used by people when they're on that living level. And you can just send your guests down to this bathroom rather than using the main bathroom upstairs. And you've got all the luxuries that you'd expect in a home with this price point. And you can never have too much storage space. So they've thought of everything. They have a great little pocket door, which is a great idea to save space. And again, that gives them this nice little storage nook here as well. So you can never have too much space for things, especially if you're doing those Costco runs, things like that. Some paint touch-ups and whatever. You have that space here for that. Welcome to your backyard oasis. So you can see here, we've got a beautiful open flat lot measuring about 135 feet deep, so tons of space. It's a rarity now that you find a lot with this amount of space, and it's all usable. The homeowners have got a great patio set up, so you can see they've got a little mini one at the back there that they use just for those nice quiet nights with the fire pit. And Jonathan's going to pan around and show you their main patio space, where they've got a killer hot tub set up and more than enough room here for barbecue pit area, trampoline. I mean, really, you've got more space than you know what to do with. And one of the other nice things here, obviously being a little bit of a more established neighborhood, is where Patricia's standing there, you could build out the back of the house. So if you wanted to do that addition or make any modifications, you have the space to do so, and it's not going to kill the rest of your lot, which in a lot of these homes, sometimes when you do that, then you end up with no backyard space. It's a beautiful, beautiful backyard, perfect for a young family. You got lots of space out here for little ones or a dog if you have one. You never have to worry about running out of space in the backyard.
Did you check out the tomato plants?
Well, that's just the thing. They also have a beautiful vegetable garden that's all set up and well thought out. And the fence as well was done just a couple of years ago. So that's something else that you're not going to have to worry about. Thank you guys for taking this tour. If you have any questions at all, visit our website. We're going to put it below, williamsfamilyrealestate.com, where we'll have a full photo gallery and more information on this spectacular property.